Today's video is about hair regrowth serum for hair fall, especially in this monsoon season. Monsoon season is very humid and can make your scalp oily. To remove the oil buildup, we repeatedly wash our hair and end up with itchy and flaky scalps and even more hair fall than usual. This serum will help you achieve smooth, silky hair and add strength to your mane so that it's less prone to breaking or any other issues caused by dryness or frizzy ends. It helps promote hair growth while also controlling hair fall. Let's prepare this hair regrowth serum. Take 3 tablespoons of onion juice. Onions contain a substantial amount of sulfur, a nutrient that plays a major role in promoting healthy hair. They also give an extra supply of sulfur to aid hair growth and help your mane grow thick and strong. 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera contains minerals that treat itchy scalps, control greasy hair, and provides extra strength to hair. 4 to 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary oil improves circulation on the scalp that promotes thicker and healthier hair. Mix all ingredients well and transfer this serum into a serum bottle. Apply on the roots of the hair and leave it for 2 hours before taking a shower. Wash it with a mild shampoo. For better results, use this serum thrice a week.